Hello students, I am Hema teacher and I teach maths. Okay, now so let's start with the first chapter, that is the Roman numerals. Okay, Roman numerals. Now let's see this two diagram. Okay, now can you identify the difference between two? See, these are the difference. This clock, these two clock, in this first clock this is given in international numbers and this is given in alphabet, English alphabet. Can you see here it is X, I, V is given. Okay, now this is called the Roman numeral. This is called the Roman numerals. Okay, now today we will study about the Roman numerals. Okay, now we can write Roman numerals using 6 English alphabet, international alphabet. That is, see here, that is I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Okay. Now I is for 1, V is for 5, 10, X is for 10 and L is for 50, C is for 100 and D is for 500 and last the M is for 1000. Using this, okay, now using this we will write the Roman numerals. Okay, now there are the different rules that we are going to study. Okay, now let's see. Is it clear? This is, see the difference here. In the again we will move to this. This I represent 1, double I is represent 2, 3, 3I is 3. Like that, V, IV is for 4. Okay, and here X, 2I is for 12. Okay, now we will move to the different rules for Roman numerals. Let's see here. See, rule number 1. See, this is a rule number 1. If either, see in your page number, textbook page number 1, if either a symbol I or X is written continuously 2 or 3 times, their sum total is number they make. Means if example is given, rule 1, that is rule 1. First is example, that is if I writing I, 2I, okay, then it means 1 plus 1, that is equals to 2. Okay, and if I write X plus X, that is 10, X denoted for 10 and 10 plus 10, that is equals to 20. Clear? Now if I write I, 3 times I, okay, then this means 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equals to 3. Clear? This is the rule number 1, means we can write X and I 2 or 3 times. More than 3 times we cannot write it. Okay. Now let's move to the rule number 2. Now rule number 2 is the symbol X and I can be repeated continuously for maximum 3 times. The numerals V is never repeated consecutively. Means we can repeat I and X maximum 3 times. As I told you, maximum 3 times we can write, but we cannot write V. We cannot repeat V. Okay, means we cannot write this VV. Okay, we cannot write this. Clear? Now rule number 3. Now let's move to the rule number 3. Now rule number 3 is when either 1 or V is written on right side of a symbol of a bigger number, its value is added to the value of bigger number. Means if I write to the right side, if I write I to the right side of V, means we are adding V denotes for 5 and 5 plus 1, that is equals to 6. In the similar way, if I write x denote for 10, if I write 2 times here I, then it means 10 plus 2, that is equals to 12. Okay, this is your rule number 3. Now move to the rule number 4. Now see here, as I am writing, as I have written here to the right side. Okay, if I write to the left side, if that means we will subtract 1 from 5, means 5 minus 1, that is equals to 4, means the value of this IV is 4. In the similar way, before the left side of x, the value of this is 10 minus 1, that is equals to 9. Okay, take one more example. Okay, and sorry, in rule number 4, okay, the second part of rule number 4 is कि the symbol I is not written more than once before V or X. We cannot write more than I more than 2 times. Okay, here we can write as, okay, in rule number 4, the symbol I is not written more than once before V and X. Okay, means we cannot write this way. Okay, this way cannot write. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, we can write 1 time before X and V. This is the rule number 4. I hope these 4 rules is clear to you. Okay, now see the problem set 1. Problem set 1. In the first question, see your page number textbook page number 2. The first question is write all the numbers from 1 to 20 using Roman numerals. Then here we will write here 1. 1 is for I. The symbol for this one is I. Then 2 is 2 times I. 3. Okay. 4 and 5. 5, as I told you, this is V. Okay, in earlier V. Then 6 is VI. 7, 8. For 8 we will write here V and 3 times the standing line, or you can say I. Okay. Then 9. 9 is I and A. Yeah. 10 is denoted by X. Okay. Now your 11. 11 is X and I. 12. 12 is X, 2I. 13. 13 is X, 3I. 14. 14, for 14 we will write here X and 10 for X and 4 for IV. Then here we will write I. This is the symbol for, we will use this Roman numerals for 14. Okay. Now 15. For 15 is X, V. For 16, 10, for 10 we will use here X, and for 6 we will use here VI. 17 X, and for 10 for X and 7 for V. 18. For 18, similar way, 10 for X and 8. For 8 we will write here V and 3 times I. 19, 10, and for 9 we will write here IX. And for 20 is 2. Okay, is it clear? Now we will move to the second question. Okay, now see here, this question number 1 is over. Now move to the second, third and fourth. In this here you have to write the following international numbers, means Roman numbers is given, Roman numbers are given, then you have to convert it into international numerals. That I already shown in question number 1. Now in this third one, fill in the empty boxes. Here empty boxes, some numbers you have to write in words and the Roman numerals of this. Okay, these two are your homework, and move to the fourth one. The fourth one again, till 18 it is given. Okay, I have already given in question number 1. Then you solve this. Now move to the next one, that is question number 5. Yeah, read the question. In the table below, each given number is written in international numerals and then again the Roman numerals. If it is written correctly in Roman numerals, put tick in the box under it. If not, put X and correct it. Okay. Then international Romans 4. It is given as 4 line. That is, which is wrong. We can write it as 3 times. Means it is wrong. 4 can be written as IV. Okay. Now next. 6 is VI. This is right. Okay. Now move to the 8. 8 is here it is given as 2I and X, which is wrong. We can write only 1 times to the left, means this is wrong. 8 can be written as V3I. Okay. Now 16 is X VI. This is right. Now 15 is wrong, because 15 we will write it as X and V. Okay. Now see, there is something more. Here it is given as LCDM are also used in Roman numerals. This I already shown in earlier in the starting of this chapter. That is I for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500, M for 1000. Okay. Now this chapter is over, and the remaining, that the sums I have given to you, that is your homework. Okay.